Are you busting your butt in the gym every single week, eating clean, doing your cardio, but somehow you feel like you're just still not losing body fat or weight in general? I'm here to tell you that you're not alone. It's not just you. It's not your genetic. It's not your age, and your body is not broken. Today, I'm going to give you the real reasons why you're not losing fat, even though you've tried pretty much everything. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to fix it. If you're new here, my name is Cole. I am just a normal guy. I have a full-time job as a state cop. I'm also a fitness coach. I run multiple businesses, and I'm busy just like you, but I enjoy staying in shape. So I want to share with you my lifestyle, what I do to help you be in the same or better position. Hit that like and subscribe button, and let's jump right into things. First, let's start right off rip with one of the biggest myths that I hear around, and that's that you are eating too little. People think that they have to eat a little bit in order to lose weight and to lose body fat, when that's not really true. It doesn't work like that. I'll tell y'all right now, if I just start eating a little tiny bit, hoping to like lose weight and get shredded, actually the opposite happens, and my body fat actually rises. Probably happens to you too. Extreme food and protein restriction slows your metabolism down like no other. And it's a topic that many people just don't talk about too often, because let's be real, you'll often hear people preach, eat less, put the fork down, but that's not always the real reason and how to help everybody lose weight and build muscle. Just for a quick example, if you're eating like 1,200 calories a day and you're doing endless amounts of cardio every single day, and then you're wondering why nothing's happening, that right there that I just told you, that's the reason why nothing's happening. You're eating too little, you're doing a bunch of cardio, nothing's gonna happen. Your body adapts to that, your metabolism slows, and over time you end up burning less and less. You can do cardio for 2 hours a day. Over time, you're still gonna burn less and less. One of the top secrets out there is how to do a correct calorie deficit. Many people have it all sorts of messed up, y'all. They do it all sorts of wrong. So today we're gonna break it down as simple as possible. Yes, you do need to be in a caloric deficit, but it has to be smart and accurate. And one of the key mistakes I see people doing, and a lot of my clients did this in the past, is that they don't track accurately. They will eat, 2 large scoops of peanut butter and say, okay, that's about 90 calories. No, bro, that's more like 200 to 300 calories. They may grab a, handful of nuts, of like assorted nuts, and be like, should be about 80, 70, 80 calories. You and I both know that large handful of nuts is not 70 calories. And when it comes to liquid calories, it's the same thing. It really adds up. That coffee creamer that you're dumping all over everything adds up in calories. All the alk and the special drinks with a bunch of calories, the liquid calories go crazy, y'all. Here's the solution for you. I want you to just try it, right? Just try it. Accurately track your food for just 1 week, and you're going to see a lot of things. You're going to learn a lot about yourself, how you eat, and potentially how wrong y'all might be when you're just eyeballing your food. If anything so far is hitting home for you, drop a yes in the comments down below, because I know I'm not the only person this has happened to. I know some of y'all out there are right along with me. The next mistake that people make when trying to lose weight is they get into this cardio trap. We kind of talked about it earlier, where people just pound out cardio every single day for so many hours, but nothing's happening. Yeah. Don't fall into that endless cardio trap, because it's going to put you in a bad spot. I'm saying all this as I'm heading to go for a run right now. Anyway, don't rely strictly on cardio to lose weight. Here's one of the main problems that maybe a lot of people don't know. Cardio may burn calories while you're doing it, but it slows and stops shortly after that. While lifting weights and strength training builds muscle and helps you burn calories even at a resting rate, believe it or not. So I want you to think of muscle like a fat burning engine. The more you have, the more your body burns just to keep you alive and keep you functional. That's why I tell people, I practice what I preach. I tell people resistance training should come first. Don't just slap on cardio and say, I'm going to get in shape. Doesn't work like that. Do your strength training, do your resistance training as well. Here's a super practical tip that I've told hundreds of people, and it has worked for them. I tell them, do 3 to 4 days of strength training every single week, paired with 8 to 10K steps per day. And that's going to be weight and fat loss without living on the treadmill. It is proven time and time again. I'm telling y'all, some variation of that will have you squared away and will help to get you unstuck. So that's a golden tip right there. And listen, stop being inconsistent. Yes, you watching this video, stop being inconsistent. We've all been there. I've been there. I've had to wake up and do doubles at work as a cop and do a bunch of other stuff, been busy, but you gotta stay consistent. Because the truth is, most people just are not consistent for long enough. They may do a week or two and be like, oh, this isn't working, I'm done. Or a month, I'm done. It takes a lot longer than that for the real gains, the real progress to start coming through. I tell people straight up, you didn't gain 30 pounds in 3 weeks. So guess what? You're not gonna lose 30 pounds and become fit in a month. It's going to take at least a 3 to 6 month commitment to start seeing that positive change and that positive turnaround. So don't rush. One of the biggest tips of all time, I tell people, do not rush. this health thing. This is a lifestyle. Yes, it's great to set goals, but you're not sprinting and rushing to the finish line. Track your habits, stay patient, and stop program hopping every 2 weeks. A lot of people out here are like they will literally do a program or like a squat protocol, whatever the case may be, for a week or two, then be like, I'm bored. I need something new. They jump to something else. You are not gaining maximum progress from doing things like that. That's actually slowing you down. After 2 to 3 weeks, this is where 90% plus of people quit. Don't let that be you though. It's not going to be you, because you're going to be with me on this consistency train. As you're watching this video right now, are you hitting your protein numbers? Seriously, did you eat protein today yet? If you didn't, go have some protein. Many people's protein is often super low and too low. Most guys out there should aim for about 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. If you're weighing about 180 pounds, I give you that buffer of about 160 grams to 180 grams of protein per day. It's going to be goal dependent, but this is just a good starting point. I eat about 190 to 200 grams of protein per day, and I'm about 190 pounds. Now, while you're out there busy working out, eating protein and everything, you can't forget recovery, and you need your sleep. It is one of the most important but left out parts of the whole fitness and health thing. If you're only sleeping 3 to 5 hours every single night, your hunger hormones are going absolutely nuts, and your body will hold on to fat and just do weird things that it shouldn't do, because we need more sleep. Fat loss and weight loss, it's really not about punishment. I see so many people punish themselves. Oh no, I can't eat this. I shouldn't eat this. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I eat whatever I want, right? But I don't do that often, and I exercise a lot. So my diet is like 75 to 80% clean. I do eat candy, I eat pizza when I want, but I also exercise a lot, and I don't overeat. This whole lifestyle is about balance. It's not about punishment, like I said. Don't punish yourself. Nobody likes that. Try to find a way to eat foods that you enjoy 80% of the time. Stay active, train hard, and allow yourself some flexibility. Give yourself grace. I'm not saying say that, oh, everything's okay. Oh, screw it all. I just ate 10 scoops of peanut butter. Let me keep going. I'm not saying that, but be flexible so that you don't get messed up mentally. That all or nothing approach is why so many people fail. Seriously, I see it. I've seen it over the years. This is a lifestyle. You and I, we both have a life to live. I like having fun. I like doing activities. I like being out and about. I like eating whatever I want, whatever time I want as well. So we can't have that all or nothing approach, because that is what ruins, like I said, it ruins most people. They'll say, hey, I was doing so great for a week, but then I just had a beer. So now, you know what? Screw it, whatever. No, don't do that to yourself. Let me know down in the comments, do you struggle more with working out? Do you struggle more with nutrition? So right now, I'm just going to drop a really good, quick, and immediate action plan for you to follow along. 1 is going to be to track honestly for a week. 2 is going to be to strength train for 3 to 4 times every single week. 3, 8 to 10K steps daily. Doesn't matter, get them in, get the steps in. Walking pattern, walking outside, do it. 4 is gonna be get enough protein. 5 is just gonna be 7 to 8 hours of sleep. That sounds like a lot, but trust me y'all, it's not. It can become a pretty natural thing. So write down that list that I just told you, and little by little, knock them off. It will put you in a better spot. Please listen. If you do just 5 of those things I just told you consistently, you will lose weight, you will lose fat. So I just laid a ton of information on you. Now you know why you're not losing fat, you know how to fix it. The problem is not your genetics or your metabolism. It's just those very small mistakes that add up over time. So fix those very small mistakes, stay consistent, and your results are gonna come. I don't have time to be in the gym all day. Like I said, I have activities, I have work, I have a life outside of the gym. I'm not gonna be there for 2, 3, 4 hours a day. I'm in there maybe 1 hour a day, maybe 45 minutes, and I'm out. You can do the same. You don't gotta waste time being in there all day. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button for me. Remember, stay disciplined, stay patient, because the body you want is built by what you do consistently. It's not built by what you do occasionally. I'll see you in the next one.